Welcome once again. Let's talk about Shiba Inu token. Now, Shiba Inu coins. So many crypto experts have predicted Shiba Inu in 2023 to hit between 20,000% to 100,000%. Yes, Shiba Inu, we all know, have that community, they have that partnership, and Shiba Inu definitely is going to increase. It's still ranked number 14 crypto coins with the highest market cap. Shiba Inu have really dropped in terms of market cap, in terms of price, since Shiba Inu started pumping in 2021. But I still believe that in 2023, of course, we're expecting Shiba Inu to bounce back, Shiba Inu to also dominate. It's going to be one of the coins that is going to dominate the news in 2023. Expect a massive increase in price on Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu in 2023 will be deleting between 1 or 2 zeros or even more in 2023, and the burning of Shiba Inu is going to increase in 2023 because I believe the developers, of course, they are working towards getting a better project that will see the burning of Shiba Inu increases in 2023. Remember, Shiba Inu, with all the community, with all the partnership, with all the listening, in a day they still burn just about 45 million coins to 50 million coins. So we want to see Shiba Inu burning over a billion, burning about 10 billion, burning about 100 billion coins, or even 500 billion coins in a day. And that will only be possible if the developers can work hard towards getting that possible. And I believe 2023, of course, we're expecting 20,000 to 100,000% increase in price or even more. And I believe the community of Shiba Inu, they're all ready to support this. They're all ready to support Shiba Inu coin to hit a massive increase in price again, just like the way it did last year, 2021. And I believe top holders of Shiba Inu and other holders of Shiba Inu will be smiling to the bank. Well, crypto coins in general this year, 2022, have really been affected by crypto negative thing that surround crypto industry this year, like so many countries banning crypto industry, and also the issue between Russia and Ukraine, and that is why you see all this thing affected cryptocurrency. And I believe next year of 2023 we are going to see cryptocurrency in a higher level. We are going to see cryptocurrency in a different level, and I believe Shiba Inu is definitely going to increase in price. It's going to bounce back. Of course, Shiba Inu have lost a lot, about 38 to 39 billion dollars have been taken out of Shiba Inu since Shiba Inu hit about 43.3 million dollars. So you can see Shiba Inu have lost so much, and I believe next year we're going to see Shiba Inu bouncing back. But please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.